Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare Access for protected web apps step by step clearly. To activate Cloudflare Access for protected web apps, start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the domain for the web application you want to protect. Navigate to the Access section on the left-hand menu. Click on Applications to begin setting up your web app. Select the Add an Application button. Choose Self-Hosted as the application type. In the name field, enter a descriptive name for your web app. Fill in the domain field with the URL of your web app. In the Session Duration menu, select how long you want user sessions to last. Scroll down to the Protect this application section. Select the access policy that best fits your needs. If necessary, create a new policy by clicking on Add a Policy. Choose a condition for the policy, like email domain or group membership. Add any required emails or domains for access. Next, set up the login method for your application. You can choose between email-based login or external identity providers. Set up any multi-factor authentication options if desired. Review your configuration to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click the Save button to activate the application. You will see your newly created application in the list of applications. To test your setup, open a browser and navigate to your web app URL. You should be prompted to authenticate using the method you selected. Complete the login process to ensure access is working as intended. If you encounter issues, revisit your settings and adjust the access policies as needed. This process secures your web apps while providing seamless access for authorized users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.